Hey, Himanshu here from withhimanshu.com. In this video, you will be understanding how to monetize your YouTube channel without AdSense. So, YouTube is the second biggest search engine on the internet, and a lot of people regularly visit YouTube to find tutorials, interesting information, and a lot of new content. So, when you are starting a YouTube channel, and if you are planning to start your YouTube channel, this is a really wise decision you are making. So before we jump ahead, and I will show you the exact way, and in fact instead of sharing a lot of different things, I will be showing you the step-by-step system to monetize your YouTube channel through affiliate marketing. And the affiliate program which I will use for the purpose of recording this video is Amazon affiliate, because it is the easiest way to do it. And before starting the video, let me ask you if you already have a YouTube channel. So type in the comments if you already have a YouTube channel, and type no if you do not have a YouTube channel. So type yes or no in the comments. And as you scroll down, make sure to give me a thumbs up and press the subscribe button, so that every time when I put a new video, you can get this notification. So YouTube is the biggest search engine, and a lot of people are continuously coming to YouTube. Now, AdSense is not the only way to monetize your channel. In fact, a lot of marketers and a lot of new YouTubers find out their monetizations get banned even when they are below 1,000 subscribers. So, but still, a lot of in fact, most of the YouTubers really make great money without even monetizing it through AdSense. So now the first way to do it is actually by sponsored videos. But sponsored videos are not really easy to find out. If you are new, you will not find so many people and so many brands approaching you to sponsor your videos. So instead of it, creating an affiliate program with Amazon is one of the best way to do it. So how to do it, let's understand in this video. So first thing I want you to do is to go to amazon.com if you are from US, or if you are from any other country other than India. So even if you are in India, what I will suggest you is to find out for whom you are making your content. So if you are most of the audiences are from India, go to amazon.in. If you are from Canada, and or if your most of the audiences are from Canada, you can go to amazon.ca, or you can go to amazon.com if most of your audiences are from US. Okay, so it depends on where your audience are from. So I want you to go to amazon.com. For the sake of this example, I want you to go to amazon.com. You can find the link below, and let's go to the footer. Okay, so when you go to footer, I want you to search for Amazon affiliate program. Okay, so let's find out where it is. So Amazon advertising, sell on Amazon, web services, and I want to find out affiliate. So let's type affiliate. Wow, so I can find out right here, right? Become an affiliate. So I want you to click on become an affiliate, and once you will do it, you will reach to amazon.com affiliate program. So I'm already an affiliate, so this is why it it navigated me to this page. But when you are new, you will reach to this page which will look somewhat like this. Okay, so Amazon associate, so it's affiliate hyphen program.amazon.com. So this is the link, and I want you to create an account in this, and it is free. Okay, so join now for free. I want you to click on join now for free, and once you will do it, it will ask for your email address and your password. Okay, now, or you can create a new Amazon account. So if you are not using Amazon for buying anything, then you can create a new Amazon account, and you can register as an affiliate through that account. And if you do not have an Amazon account, it will ask you, it will ask for information like first name, last name, email, password, and you will create it. Once you are done with it, you will reach to a page somewhat like this. Okay, so let's go to my Amazon.com page. Okay, so once you will do it, you will reach to this page. Okay, now I am not actively promoting Amazon affiliate program, but when you are starting your YouTube channel and if you do not know anything about monetization, this is the best way to start. So once you are done with it, now you can go to Amazon.com. Okay, I want you to go to Amazon.com once you will be done with the registration. Okay, and as you will do it, you will see, just give me a second. Okay, let me register, let me sign in as an affiliate. And okay, no, now so I am into my Amazon.com website. Okay, and I have already registered. Now once I am done with it, now I can actually see there are millions of products, in fact, I can really promote. Okay, so for example, your channel is about health and you want to promote a yoga mat for the sake of this example. Okay, so now once I'm done with the niche, I want you to write down yoga mat. Okay, so once you write this down, you will find a lot of different content over here, right? A lot of different products you can actually promote. So once, for example, you have created this video about yoga. So how can you start into yoga, or let's say best recipes for yogis, and it depends on your niche, right? So if you are just talking about this pen, so you can promote pen, and now you can promote a notepad, or it totally depends on your niche, right? So in for the sake of this example, I am taking this yoga mat, right? Now if you have already a good product in your mind, then you can start promoting it, right? You can go to this link. For example, I want to promote this particular yoga mat. Okay, so I will go to this page, this product page, and I will click on this text. Okay, once I will click on this text, you will see this is my affiliate ID, and I'm getting this short link, right? So you can copy this short link. Okay, you can copy this short link and you can place it in your description. And once when you are creating a YouTube video, you can actually talk about this particular product which you have just selected, and you can say check out my description if you are really interested to buy this product. And what I will suggest you is promote something which you are personally using. Okay, so it is the best way to do it, because once you are already using that product, you will see that you are really confident while promoting it, and you will see that people are getting more interested to actually buy that product, because they will see that you are talking what you are actually personally using. So it creates a trust factor, which is really important when you are in a business, right? Now another way, what I will suggest you is, you can directly if you have no particular product in your mind, you can actually search this, for example, yoga mat, and you can say, while you are recording your videos, you can say you can go to Amazon to find hundreds of yoga mats, and you can say there is a link I have given below, so you can go through that link. So here again, I want you to search yoga mat on Amazon, and I want you to click on this text. Okay, so once you will select, you will find the same link. It of course it is a different link, but it is in the similar format, and you can copy this text, you can copy this link and put in your YouTube description. And once you are done, I want you to focus more upon YouTube SEO, so that your videos are becoming visible to the to other people who are genuinely interested to buy that product. And while you are creating your videos, and if you are really serious about actually selling through your videos, which you are doing right now, is to focus upon buying intent. So for example, people who are searching best yoga mats in US are more inclined toward buying, instead of in comparison to the people who are simply searching yoga mats. Because people who are simply searching yoga mats may be the people who are simply interested to learn what exactly is a yoga mat. But when people are searching like best yoga mats online, or best yoga mats under 15,000 Indian rupees, or let's say $100, you can see these people are more inclined towards actual buying. So you are having this buying intent in your mind, and you will see that conversions through your videos are actually better. So it's a kind of pro tip, a tip I have just given you. So use it and monetize your YouTube channel without AdSense. Let me know in the comment box if you have any confusion and if you want to ask anything. Okay, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, make sure to do that and check out my free course on affiliate marketing so that you can learn a lot about this particular industry. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.